This is a quick video on the Photoshop levels. Changing the levels allow you to adjust the lighting of a photo. Maybe the photo's too dark or too light, and you can change that. To get to the levels, you go under Image, Adjustment, Levels. You get this histogram that basically looks like a mountain, which is showing you the lightness and darkness within this image. And what you want to do, these little stoppers here, you want to adjust them. So where the hill starts to rise, you want to change your sliders to that position just about where it starts to rise. And the same for the right hand side. And then you can come in and you can make some further adjustments. And this is all going to depend on the photo. Every photo is going to have a different histogram. Once you're happy with it, you can say okay. If I open up my history panel, which basically just kind of takes me back in time, I can show you what it used to look like. Let me open up that panel. Here it is. If I click right here, you can see what the original image looked like. And if I go down here, this is what the image looks like when levels have been added. Let me go ahead and do that with another image. Just got another image in here. I'm going to go Image, Adjustment, Levels. Okay, move it out of the way a little bit. Really the only slider that's kind of away from this histogram visual is this one. So I'm just going to bring it up. It's kind of lightening everything. If I go in here, I can make adjustments as well. I don't think this one's going to help much. But you can, again, change the lightness and darkness of an image. Okay. Let me go back in time with this one. I'll show you another one that actual photographers like to use a little bit more. So let me go Edit, Undo Levels. Another way of going about this is under Image, Adjustment, Curves. Gives you a different dialog box where you can actually go in and you can click and you can adjust this little grid here, and you can do more custom adjustments. If you don't like what you've done, you can just grab these little squares, you can throw them off. I don't prefer this myself, but it is something that you can do. I'm going to say cancel. Another thing you can do under levels is Image, Adjust Levels. You can click Auto, and Photoshop will do its best to actually correct it for you. Auto. So Photoshop did its best based on the image, what it thought might be best. This could be a good starting place, but you can go in and you can still make adjustments even if Photoshop did auto adjustments. Again, it's all depending on you as a designer and what you think best suits this image.